Ayan guys, gagawa tayo ng pan decoration guys ha. Unahin natin itong red color. Red color guys ha. Yan. Gawin natin siyang mga tree. Yan, tree. Kasi point 3 na, point 2 no problem. Red color for no decoration guys ha. And then floor 20. Yan floor ha. Gawin natin siya 20 guys. Yan. Kunti na lang guys ha. Yan 20. Okay pa guys. Gagawa tayo ng pang-decoration natin sa ano. Ayan guys ha. Yan. And then guys, water. Water natin ay kailangan 60. Oh, lampas. 60. Gawin natin 80. Dagdagan ko na lang ulit. Yan. 100 kaya oh. Yan, 100 guys ha. Gawin natin 100. Yan guys ha. Tapos ang olive oil. Bebe, give olive oil. Sos, Ginoo. Hindi pala naka-open yan ha. 10 grams yan. Dinagdagan ko na 10 grams ha. Guys, may make a decoration. Red decoration of all items here. Then guys, I cover and I mix carefully. Yan guys, I mix carefully ha. I try coming good or no. You see guys ha, I put the I clean it guys ha. I mix and then I put the drink. You see? Very nice guys. How to make good color and put decoration. Pasta. I use for pasta guys. Okay. How to make good color guys. This is for decoration. See guys. I waiting cooking even guys. You see? Oh, you see guys. Little cooking guys. Oh, nice color. Nice color guys. For decoration guys ha. Oh, not good wrap. I use for decoration guys. Yan guys ha. Oh, color good. Aywa, had a thinking yesterday. You see guys? Very nice. You see guys ha? How to make decoration. You see? Very nice color. We like this guys. You like good decoration. Follow my recipe. You see guys. Oh, very nice. You see guys, very nice color. Very easy to make decoration. I cooking again, huh? Mix carefully. You see? Guys, the finish, you see? See guys, huh? Very nice color coming, guys. Very easy to make, huh, guys, for decoration, huh? Nice, huh? You see. Now it's coming. Very good color. Red color. See guys. Very good now. You see guys, huh? How to make good color for decoration. Now it's good. Oh. I really like this, guys, huh? This is ready for cooking. You see guys? Not cooking. She likes a little time. Nice, you see? You see guys, how to make good color for decoration. We use for pasta and risotto. Oh, ay waro. Yan guys. Guys, I make more, huh? You see? Finish. He put tissue and then remove oil. You see guys, the color. You see the coloring guys, huh? You see the coloring guys, huh? You see? For decoration guys, huh? I use for the decoration. Yan now guys, finish. You see, I use for decoration guys, huh? Red color. I put on the top in the finished product. Pre-finished food guys. Oh, red color. Thank you for watching guys, huh? Thank you for watching. Yeah, finish na siya guys. Oh, thank you guys for watching.